Hi everyone, my name's Angie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a stuffed pepper recipe for dinner that we really enjoy. I got the recipe off of Keto Focus and it's one that we've had several times and I think you'll really like it. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need for this recipe is 4 bell peppers, which one I already cut up and these I'm going to cut in half. You'll need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and you'll need some shredded cheese, and you'll need some taco seasoning and some salt. If you want, you can add sour cream and cilantro. So right now I'm cooking a pound of ground beef. You're gonna need taco seasoning, and I made my own. I'm using Simply Keto cookbook. It has a lot of easy recipes. So my meat's almost cooked. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. If you have a fatty meat, you'll probably want to drain the grease off. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cream cheese. Then add in a half a teaspoon of salt. And then you'll add 1 bell pepper that's been diced. The pepper's getting tender and the cheese is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and get my dish out and get my peppers ready. The way that I do it is I just cut my peppers in half. Then I take this middle part out. So it looks like the filling's done, so I'm gonna start filling the peppers. So this recipe says put it in a 350 oven for 15 minutes. And if you like your pepper to still be crispy, then you'll like it that way. I started putting it in for a little longer. So I think I'm gonna do 25 minutes. And I'm gonna wait to put the top cheese on it till about 10 minutes before it's ready to come out. Then I'll put the cheese on it so it doesn't get too brown. The oven's ready, so I'm going to stick the peppers in there and I'll check back in 15 minutes. Smell good. This recipe makes 6 servings and it's 6 grams of net carbs per serving. Of course, if you wanted to use green bell peppers, it'd be less carbs. But 6 net carbs is pretty good. Stick these back in and I'll check them in another 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been another 10 minutes, so I'm gonna pull the peppers out and see how they look. Okay, so they're a crispy tender, so this is how we like them. I even left them in longer than the recipe said, so you just kind of have to go by how you like them. Like very yummy and cheesy. So that's it for today's recipe. It's a really good one and it's very easy to make. So if you like stuffed peppers, I hope you enjoy this one. I'll be back later this week with more new recipes. Thanks for being here. Bye.